of them. وَيَوْمَ نَحْشُرُهُمْ جَمِيعًا, and the day on which we will herd all of them all together. ثُمَّ نَقُولُ لِلَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا مَكَانَكُمْ, then we will say to those who committed shirk, stay in your place. مَكَانَكُمْ. It doesn't say قُومُوا مَكَانَكُمْ, قِفُوا فِي مَكَانِكُمْ. No, مَكَانَكُمْ, your place. That's it. When an authority is angry, it doesn't speak the entire sentence, it just says a word. It just says a word. Test. You guys are talking to each other during the exam. I don't have to explain. This is an exam. And in an exam, you are not supposed to be conversing with one another. I just say, exam. That's it. One word. These guys are being terrified. They're just herded, and they're waiting for, what to do. And in a herd, in a stampede, are people moving around? In a stampede, are people running around in every place? And out of nowhere, they're told, stay in your place. Makanakum. Antum wa shuraka'ukum. This is interesting. You and your associates. Who are your associates? Some ulama have derived from this because the idols will be thrown into the fire. The idols have no reality to them. They will be thrown into the fire to add to the fuel of the fire. These are the living shuraka. These are people like Isa alayhi salam and the scholars whose graves were worshipped. And the saints and all of those people who may have even been righteous. They're calling. Somebody might say, why would Allah call them like that? And why would Allah scold them like that? Well, didn't He do that to Isa alayhi salam at the end of Surah An-Nisa? Allah Azza wa Jal, even to Isa alayhi salam is so harsh, so stern on this day. And why is that important? You, stand over there, next to the one you were hoping would save you. You stand there too. Why? Because this is the ultimate form of psychological torture. This guy, all his hopes and aspirations were with this sharik of his. And he's standing next to him like, aren't you supposed to? You're in trouble? Allah's talking to you this way? What am I going to do now? Shuraka'ukum. فَزَيَّلْنَا بَيْنَهُمْ. Then everything between them has been cancelled out. We made everything cancelled out between them. وَقَالَ شُرَكَاؤُهُمْ مَا كُنْتُمْ إِيَّانَا تَعْبُدُونَ. And their associates, these innocents that were worshipped, they didn't even know after their death that they were being worshipped. They're going to look at that. You weren't worshipping us, were you? مَا كُنْتُمْ إِيَّانَا تَعْبُدُونَ. You weren't worshipping us, right? They're in denial, like, for real? Why would you do that? فَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا بَيْنَنَا وَبَيْنَكُمْ. Allah is enough as a witness between us and yourselves. إِن كُنَّا عَنْ عِبَادَتِكُمْ لَغَافِلِينَ. We, in fact, in is here short for inna. We were absolutely unaware of the worship you guys were doing. I had no idea. People could be this stupid. They're completely disconnecting themselves from the guys that used to have all their hopes and aspirations with them. هُنَالِكَ تَبْلُو كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَا أَسْلَفَتْ. Then and there, هُنَالِكَ, every person, كُلُّ نَفْسٍ, is going to test, to put to the test, مَا أَسْلَفَتْ, whatever it had done in the past. Salaf, what came in the past. Aslafa, what already occurred. Also means it's already done, the only time you'll have to deal with this now is in the future. It's kind of a lughat al-afdad thing. It's already done in the past, so the only you can't change it now. Now you just have to deal with its consequences. So تَبْلُو كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَا أَسْلَفَتْ. Every person is going to test, or going to put to the test, whatever he or she had left in the past. وَرُدُّوا إِلَى اللَّهِ. And they will all be turned back towards Allah. مَوْلَاهُمُ الْحَقِّ. Their protecting guardian, their ultimate authority, the true one. وَضَلَّ عَنْهُمْ مَا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ. And everything they used to make up is lost on them. They can't find it. ضَلَّ عَنْهُمْ